In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay charts in TradingView, a powerful tool for traders looking to compare different financial instruments seamlessly on a single screen. This video will guide you through the simple process of overlaying multiple charts, which can be immensely helpful when you're analyzing trends or correlations between different stocks, indexes, or other trading instruments. To kick things off, head over to TradingView and open up your chart of choice. This is your baseline chart, the one you'll be adding more data to as we proceed. Once you have your chart displayed, take a moment to absorb its current layout. This will help you recognize the differences and patterns when you overlay new charts later on. Now, direct your attention to the top of the chart interface. There, you'll find a small plus sign or Add button, usually nestled among other helpful tools and features. Give this button a click. It is the gateway to expanding your chart's breadth and depth, allowing you to layer additional market instruments. Once you click that plus sign, a menu will appear, showcasing various symbols and instruments you can compare with your existing chart. This menu might feature everything from indexes and stocks to cryptocurrencies, depending on what's available. Here's where you need to think about which additional data or comparison you want to work with. Whether it's a competing stock, another financial index, or a currency pair, select the symbol that provides the insight you seek. Just click on the symbol you wish to add, and it should automatically layer itself over your current chart. Keep in mind that as you're adding these symbols, you might see a whole new perspective on how different instruments interact and impact each other. Notice how the different datasets interact on the same graph, offering you a more nuanced understanding of market trends or potential investment decisions. Being able to visualize these interactions is key to making informed trading decisions. This simple yet powerful technique can unlock new levels of insight, allowing you to draw comparisons that are otherwise difficult and time-consuming to make. By practicing this, you'll enhance your analytical skills in TradingView significantly. We hope you found this step-by-step guide useful and that you now feel more confident about overlaying charts in TradingView. It's an incredibly useful feature that will help you navigate the financial markets with greater ease and efficiency. Thanks for following along today, and happy trading!